The ACLU wants the Nevada Supreme Court to change its mind after a recent ruling allowing the government to keep certain records hidden from the public. This all stems from a case 13 Chief Investigator Darcy Spears first reported back in 2023. Darcy joins us now to explain why the ACLU says the court's decision is dangerous and gives government agencies a blueprint for secrecy.
The ACLU filed a petition asking the full court to reconsider a recent decision made by a panel of 3 justices. The decision allows the Clark County School District to withhold key public records related to a high-profile use of force incident involving a school police officer. You may remember back in February 2023, a student posted this video on Instagram showing 2 school police officers holding a student's arms behind his back and walking him to their vehicle while multiple other students record on their phones. Lieutenant Jason Elfberg then grabs a teen who's walking away and throws him into the gutter between the police car and the curb, pushing down on the student's neck and kneeling on his back while cursing at the surrounding students.
Oh, you can't have him on the floor like that.
Guys, just listen. Just go. Hey, stop. One more. Back up. Get above me, bro. Back up.
No, you can't have him on the floor like that, bro.
That video set off a social media firestorm, public outcry about excessive force, and a lawsuit filed by the ACLU against the Clark County School District. That lawsuit forced the district to release documents and body camera footage it had been keeping from the public, but CCSD still refused to release the investigative file into the actions of Lieutenant Elfberg. Despite taking no disciplinary action against him, CCSD subsequently agreed to a settlement, paying the impacted students represented by the ACLU $1 million, courtesy of Nevada taxpayers.
The actual investigative report there didn't find any misconduct, and yet our clients ended up with $1 million. So how do you reconcile that if you're the public?
The ACLU went to the Nevada Supreme Court trying to force the district's hand again regarding the investigative file.
The public has a right to know, 1, whether or not this investigation was carried out properly, and 2, why they didn't seek punitive action here.
CCSD argued that releasing investigative files would invade officer privacy and have a chilling effect on other officers coming forward against a colleague.
It is entirely to protect an officer's interests, but it is also when there is no punitive action, which is the situation we are dealing with here, is to protect the officers who are forthcoming, who are telling their truth, for lack of a better term, being thrown under the bus.
Although the ACLU argued that law enforcement could just bury misconduct in an investigative file, the 3-judge panel ruled in favor of the school district, finding that Nevada law allows agencies to withhold entire investigative files when no disciplinary action is taken. This is a case that raises concerns about government transparency and public accountability. We'll follow it closely to let you know if the court agrees to reconsider. Darcy Spears, 13 Investigates.